TikTok-tyyppinen unbox.
Englanniksi vai suomeksi?
Englanniksi.
Okay, hello everybody. We are about to unbox this premium cognac. It's a XO Meukow cognac, and the box itself it's very fancy and made of very
Gold.
good quality materials. And while opening it up, it seems like there is some kind of an envelope inside the box. It's paper, and inside the paper we can find the product itself. It's amazing, absolutely. And while unboxing, we can find a bottle of very good quality cognac inside. There's a golden cat on the bottle. It's amazing. It's fantastic. And yeah, well, the unboxing is pretty much done here.
Spot on English.
Yeah!